Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to update American Megatrends BIOS. Before starting, make sure to back up your important data and connect your computer to a stable power source, preferably with a UPS. First, check your current BIOS version by entering the BIOS during startup using keys like F2, Delete, or ESC. Then find your motherboard model using tools such as CPU-Z or by checking your system manual. Next, visit your motherboard manufacturer's website, such as Asus, MSI, or Gigabyte, and download the correct BIOS update and flashing tool for your model. Format a USB drive to FAT32 and copy the BIOS file onto it. Restart your computer, enter the BIOS, and open the flashing utility like Easy Flash or QFlash. Select the BIOS file from the USB drive and start the update. Do not turn off your PC during this process. After the update finishes, your system will restart automatically. Enter the BIOS again, load the default settings, save the changes, and boot into your system. Finally, confirm that the BIOS version has been updated and restore any custom settings if needed. That's it if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.